Hey lovelies, let's prep breakfast. So this is what I had for breakfast, so quick and easy. I got my eggs. I'm using 4 eggs for this. Little onions, little peppers, salt, and then it's a little butter. So I grease my pan with my little butter, and then it's time to toss my egg, the onions, so that they can marry each other. I go in to pour my diced potatoes. These potatoes, I prep it with butter, salt, and I allow it steam a bit. So I mix all together, and then I pour it in my pan, and I allow it to cook on low heat. On low heat, guys. This is a healthy breakfast. Like, if you're craving something healthy, give this a try. So finally, I'm making final toppings with my cheese, and I cover and allow some little heat, and breakfast is ready. Guys, the aroma here is something else, from the cheese to the butter to the food itself. So inviting. So give this a try. So guys, breakfast is served. What are your thoughts? Let me know if you'll be trying out this recipe.